and welcome to We're in Pampanga. For today's video guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Clark and we were invited by Paizano's Pizza. So this is their third branch. Guys, we want to show you more about what the food they served us and of course, a little bit of history kung paano po nagsimula si Paizano. So samahan niyo ako, let's go! Hi Ann, nice to see you. Diyan ka lang, sakto ka doon sa ano niya. Ayan, oh, ayan. Nice. Gara.
The owner of Paizano's Pizzeria. Paizano's was around before I purchased it. We purchased it from Mr. Joe. It was a very small hole-in-the-wall restaurant place. I saw that it had a lot of potential, so this was back in 2012. It was my first venture into the food industry. From there, we built up a new image. We fixed all the restaurants, we fixed the recipes, researching to find new recipes inspired by New York-style pizzas. It's been with us for 12 years. We're very proud of, syempre, our signature pizza, the Paizano's. It's a nice balance of vegetables and meat and our sauce. Popular lalo na sa mga foreigners. Yun, that was an original recipe from Mr. Joe. What are other popular ones are cheeseburger pizza, ground beef, bacon, and yung bacon na makita mo, bacon talaga. Hindi siya yung bits. It's bacon chunks and onions with cheddar cheese, our tomato sauce, mozzarella. It's very nice. For kids, popular namin is the white pizza. So that's white base, cream base sauce. It's 4 cheese. So it's very nice. Among kids, it's very popular. It's like carbonara pero pizza. One that we're very proud of also is our artichoke spinach. It was inspired from a place in New York, Artichoke, and their specialty pizzas, the artichoke pizza. For sandwiches, we also have submarine sandwiches. It's not just about pizza. Yung pinaka-popular is the super sub. So that has mortadella, ham, salami, vegetables, and it's drizzled with Italian dressing, baked in the oven para maluso yung mozzarella over the sandwich. We also have chicken wings. It's very good. For, of course, Filipino tayo, hindi pwedeng walang kanin. We have rice dishes and salads, and we also have other pastas. Our pastas naman are very popular is the lasagna. This is our third branch. Our first branch is at Hensonville. Our second branch is at Santo Rosario. It's near the Holy Angel Gate, and this is our third branch. Please come over and give us a try. It's worth every bite. It's a mouthful, and I promise we only use the best ingredients found here in Pampanga, and of course, imported meats. We hope to see you here soon.